Hey, hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about USD Cash. This is again a Binance Smart Chain token that is very new. It launched a couple of days ago, so on the 31st of October, 4 days old, with a market cap of only $230,000. So that being said, I just hop right into the video.
Nice, watch my running. Least sweat drip drop my stomach. New kicks, new bitch, I'm thumbing. I'll bark, nobody running.
Hopping off the website at usdcash.net, we do have here the next gen reward system for passive income. Revolutionary new token that earns you USDC reflections just by holding. Each buy and sell tax is 8%, so every 60 minutes you're gaining free money just by holding the token. We have here the official address. If you guys want to check it out, I'll leave it down in the description. You can click on buy now, view chart. We're going to check the chart later and how to buy again later in the video. So how does it work? You just buy it on PancakeSwap and then you add the tokens USD Cash to your wallet. If you have MetaMask, you just go over the MetaMask, click on assets and click on import assets over here. You have to copy the address for the USD Cash first. So go ahead over here, go into import, add custom token, import. We have here USD Cash and as well USDC BAP20 contract. The same, go over to the MetaMask, click on import tokens, Control V. We have USDC over here and import. So we have here the tokenomics, 15% and sell tax, 8% is going to the holders again for the USDC rewards. We have here the 2% is used to the liquidity pool, 5% is located towards funding the marketing wallet. You can buy now and start adding passive income. So we have here the chart. As I said before, the market cap is 229k at the moment. It had a big bump and then some people over here took some profits like 5 and 10k. Crazy, but right now we can see some upward trend going on. Whenever this dip happened, people started buying, so 4 and 7k and here again 5k. Great, crazy stuff. Highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter, and also if you are going onto the website, click on the Telegram over here. It's going to redirect you to a website, and after that over to the Telegram app or the desktop app. If you have it, please join over here. Everything is here, the community updates and stuff. So if you guys really like the project, I highly suggest you guys going and joining here, chatting with the community. So again, we have here the white paper if you guys want to read it. We have here audience, tokenomics, again tokenomics, the auto distribution, the technical information, again some technical information, dividend processing and allocation, and the future information. So if you guys really want to check this out, all the links will be down in the description. So right now, just let's hop onto the roadmap. Fourth quarter of 2021, November launch and marketing. To have a successful start, we're reaching out with marketing the most used platforms for crypto investors, such as Telegram, Reddit, TikTok, YouTube, and Twitter. Second over here, for the December, we have applying for CoinGecko, coin voting sites, starting banner ads on crypto related websites, working with influencers for more exposure. Again, we have the development of lottery system for USD Cash with integrated button function, development of raffle system to keep and rise holders, focusing on more social media and media articles on big newspapers like Yahoo, Bloomberg, Business Insider, and more. Applying for exchange listings such as Hotbit, KuCoin, Bitmart, and others. Community will vote on which accepted exchanges we will list. Bigger influencers and partnered to promote us. And the first quarter of 2022 have the development and marketing, and the last one, exchange and marketing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I highly suggest you guys going and checking all the links for the project. Everything will be down in the description, and as always, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you into the next
Nice,
one.
watch my running. Least sweat drip drop my stomach. New kicks, new bitch, I'm thumbing. I'll bark, nobody, you thumbing. My wrist frost, but shit numbing. Bad bitch, nice ass keep coming. Pull it up 3D like jumping. Man, saying rock star, keep drumming. Hey.